Hey, we have Dan here. Dan, tell us where we are right now.
Hey, how are you doing? We're at the Arts Festival in State College. Really got a place right in the middle of the whole Arts Festival with our
That's
Bible
awesome.
truck. So, I mean, you know, where people gather together, this is probably the perfect opportunity to tell people about God and really about how the Bible came to our times. So, really praise the Lord for getting this place.
Awesome.
Tenderly, you care for me. You are there for me always. Lovingly, you quiet me with the comfort of your grace. Teach me how to be.
Thank you, Builder's Best, for unlimited supply of water.
Gentle like Jesus, for he was humble, spirit calm.
Погода была не очень хорошая, дождь, но я знаю, что Господь все время в контроле. И когда дождь был, люди проходили и заходили, чтобы от дождя спрятаться, и мы могли больше с ними поговорить, побеседовать, дольше пройти тур, который здесь объясняет про Библию. И людям очень нравится, люди многие верующие проходят, они очень encouraged, ободряют их, Слово Божие читать, распространять и говорить людям больше о Христе.
И бесплатное мы ее отдаем, потому что мы хотим живую воду им тоже дать.
Мы шарики раздаем деткам.
Детки приносят родителей в трак, да?
Да.
Just like Christ my King, help me be gentle like Jesus, for he
And there were many riches. But this people in Tyre started to disobey God. And they did
Right
things
off that. The problem with the papyrus was it would get destroyed very fast. It wasn't very efficient. And if you were to write the whole Bible on a piece of papyrus like this, it would be about 20 miles long.
to transport and to spread out Gospels. Otto was actually a man who delivered 58,000 Bibles in 10
That they were not allowed to have such as Bibles. So what she did, she didn't know where to hide it, but she was about to make bread.
for he was humble, spirit calm, soften my heart, help me be gentle like Jesus.
Благодаря Гедеонам сегодня у нас, или в эти пару дней у нас была возможность раздавать Библии. И благодаря им, что они приводят свои Библии, персонально покупают, чтобы у нас было большее количество, чтобы больше раздавать людям. Уже где-то 1500 маленьких Новых Заветов раздали людям. Очень много людей приходит на Bible Truck. Слава Богу.
Jim is here with the Gideons.
Yes.
He's enjoying giving out his Gideon Bibles to everybody.
Yeah,
Aloha. There we go.
Tenderly, you care for me. You are there for me always. Lovingly, you quiet me with the comfort of your grace. Teach me how to be just like Christ my King. Help me be gentle like Jesus, for he was humble, spirit